Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am coming at you with some Studio Glam. The plan is to record a new cover today, so I felt like I would show you my makeup routine, just kind of like how I like to look when I record. I like to look pretty, I like to look fresh. I like to typically do a look that's like more, well, a little more fun than like my everyday looks, hence the buns. No particular reason that I like to do this. I think it's just like a confidence thing. I feel like the more confident you feel when you're recording, it makes your voice sound better. Anyways, let's get into the video. So first thing I'm gonna do is put on my moisturizer, and I'm using the Honest Hydrogel cream. I like this a lot because it has the same feeling as the Tatcha water cream. It goes on kind of like a super hydrating gel to water kind of feel. It's made with hyaluronic acid as well, and we love that. So I don't know, like, oh, I should clip my hair back. I don't know exactly the look that I'm gonna do. I just know that I want to be very glowy and like fresh with some sparkle. And that's really, I don't even know what color I should do. I kind of wanted to do pink. I've been in such a pink mood lately. It's so not like me. I'm normally like a bronzy, like brownish kind of gal, but you know, people change. I've changed. So I think for my foundation today, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Come Through CVS sticker. Thank you so much for that. And my color is 120. If you watched my last video, you know that I have been using a brush to put on my foundation, which is like so crazy because I used the Beauty Blender for so long and it was like a switch that went off. One day I was like, I haven't used the brush in a super long time on my skin. And then I did it and I was like, you know, just go. This is actually such a good foundation. It's something that I have on hand at all times. I have like a couple different shades. Just because it's so affordable and it works so good. Whoa. Okay, next we are going in with concealer. And I'm using the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer from Laura Mercier. I guess we're just really going in with the concealer today. Normally I don't wear this much, but I mean, hey, it's studio day, so we are gonna blend. Guys, I'm even using a brush for my concealer. Like, I might actually at the end go in like for this area and use my Beauty Blender a little bit, but honestly this brush is just, this whole brush situation really is just, I'm thriving lately. So this morning I made a list of different ideas for YouTube videos on my channel. And I'm pretty excited because I'm really trying to incorporate more lifestyle stuff. If you have any ideas for content that you would like to see, please leave it down below. I definitely still want to keep doing beauty videos just because like I'm someone who does my hair and makeup anyways, so I feel like why not share that with you guys, different looks and whatnot. I also am a licensed cosmetologist, so I can do a lot of hair stuff on here as well. I was even thinking, like, I used to do a lot of weddings back in the day. I would do hair and makeup for weddings. So we could even do like a bridal hair and makeup, or bridal makeup maybe for people who like are gonna try to do it themselves. Yeah. This is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Just because I think I'm gonna really like go in on the eyeshadow today. Not like crazy crazy, but like, you know, low-key crazy. like we're doing it, but we're not doing it. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, what color should I do? I genuinely... So I think I'm gonna do pink. Like a sparkly pink. Yeah, I'm gonna do sparkly pink. I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Nude Medium palette, and I will use this pink color. I'm gonna warm up my crease a little bit. Next, I'm going in with this MAC eyeshadow. It's like a pinky, purpley, pinky gold shimmer. And it's called Creme du Violet. It's from MAC. We're gonna dust it out. So I'm going in with that same brush and same pinky color from the Huda palette just to blend this out a bit. And I'm not really like loading up my brush. I'm just kind of like blending it. You just kind of want to soften everything that we just did, blend it all together. I've had this palette for so long. Like I got it for Christmas one year, I think. I don't know what year, but I've had it for a super long time. They have these really good shimmers. It's from Too Faced. I don't even think it has like the name of the palette, but whatever. It's like a sparkly pink color that I'm gonna use. This right here. I'm just gonna dip my finger right in and place it in the middle. Wow. I'm just going in on this eyeshadow really because this is such a pretty color. I'm gonna go in and do my eyebrows because I just can't take it anymore, you know? Right now, for my eyebrows, I'm actually using one of my older BH Cosmetics palette. Older BH Cosmetics palette. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna use the middle color. That middle color is actually really perfect, and even the little brush that it comes with is so good. Like I want to do a Spock brow so bad, but part of me is just like I can't commit to shaving part of my eyebrow. I just can't do it. I'm gonna go in with some concealer and clean them up a little bit. gonna use that same palette as before from Too Faced. I'm gonna use this light pink color and just kind of go on the insides of my eyelids. Cute. All right. This is a white pencil from Sephora, and I'm just gonna wing it out. I feel like I should do like a fun liner more often. It's an easy way to switch up your look because I feel like I need eyeliner. Not always, but I don't think I got that like last part because my camera keeps shutting off. But I just went in with some mascara, and now I'm gonna line my bottom line. Now I'm gonna line my waterline with the same white liner. Honestly, I feel like I need more glitter. I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of this glitter that is also from BH Cosmetics. It's very sparkly, but we're gonna use a tiny bit of that. Tiny bit. And I think I just wanna put it like here. I'm gonna use the expensive highlighter from Makeup by Mario. It's basically just kind of like, it's almost like a lip gloss. It's a highlighter, but it gives you like that glossy effect, but it has like the tackiness of a lip gloss. So I'm gonna use a tiny bit of that to put in the inner corners to act as kind of like an adhesive, so this shit does not just fly everywhere. I'm gonna go in with a little more concealer under the eyes just to like clean it up a little bit. Minimal. Chocolate Soleil bronzer. We need to bronze up a little bit here. I'm trying to keep everything kind of like a little bit higher to give it that lifted appearance. I'm definitely gonna be taking some pictures like with this makeup. This is so good. So if you follow me on Instagram, it's just at Vichene, everything is Vichene. Make sure you like and comment. You know, help your girl out. I'm gonna use that shimmery pink on my bottom lash as well. I'm using the NARS liquid blush. This is Orgasm. This is literally the best ever. And a little goes a long way. So I'm just gonna, ooh, like that's even, like that is a lot. It's okay, we're going for like a spacey pink vibe. So it's, you see, like, it's okay. I feel like for this look, it's fine to have a little too much blush. Lately, I've been doing this thing where instead of putting the blush like on the apples of my cheeks like I normally would, I've almost been putting it like where you would typically put a highlighter. And I'm kind of like loving that. Again, the whole lifting thing. I'm gonna go in with a highlight. This is the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated. Ooh. Just very sparkly. I just put on my lashes and I am now going to go in with some lip liner. Let me show you. Natural liner. This is from NYX. And I think I'm gonna do a natural lip, but maybe I have like a sparkly lipstick that I think I'm gonna do like in the middle with some gloss, but like a natural color. What do you think? Let's see how it looks. Like just like that is good. I've had this lipstick for a very long time, like a very long time. But this is the Dazzle lipstick in Liquid Lyrics. This is from MAC and it's literally just glitter. It has kind of like, it looks green when you look at it, but the reflect on it is pink. So I feel like that's actually like for what I want. I'm just gonna put a little in the center. Ooh, yeah. I feel like it almost kind of like ties in this glitter. And let's go in with some clear gloss just to like finalize it. This is the Patrick Ta She's Expensive. We love this. Just a little touch. I have to give you the buns though. I hope you love this because I low-key kind of do.